How to see login devices on Shopify account. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to see login devices in your Shopify account. So it's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the top right corner here. So you can click on it, and then you can click your account here, and you will be redirected to the general account setting. You can navigate to security here, security tab, and if you are scroll down, you will find the devices that log into your Shopify account. So as you can see, you're currently logged into Shopify on these devices. If you don't recognize a device, log out to keep your account secure. So you can click log out if you think you don't have the devices. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.